Okay, let's talk about the future of the MetaQuest. MetaQuest 3 and 3S particularly. I guess VR in general. Okay. The whole VR headset, like the MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 3S, and then we have the Meta glasses, like the display, the Ray-Ban and whatnot, which I have been thinking about. Honestly, they do seem pretty cool. But back to VR. Where did this leave VR? We have rumors of there being a MetaQuest 4 in the works for this year. We also have rumors, or rather, not rumors per se, but more of the whole thing that leads to believe that Meta's turning the MetaQuest 3 into more of a gaming console, which I believe they honestly are. With that said, they are actually shutting down some studios and whatnot, allegedly, and rumors of more studios being shut down and whatnot are popping up. They seem to want to double down on Meta AI, which is a thing that is mostly for the smart glasses and what have you. Which, if you want to pick up some smart glasses yourself or a MetaQuest 3 or 3S, feel free to use the links in the description below or use code TECH for and get $30 in Quest cash, rather, which is basically in-store credit. Well, with the VR thing, I'm not sure if you'll get Quest cash with the Ray-Ban yeah, as well. But anyway, use code TECH, and if you're buying any VR games, you can still use code TECH as well and get 10% off the games. So, yeah, but back to what I was saying. I'm not entirely sure where the feature is at the moment. You should have seen or are seeing now some of the gameplay, let's say, or showing of the Meta Quest because I was playing around in it earlier, and it actually it hadn't had an update. Well, it got a small update technically. If you're in the PTC, it got a very small like point whatever update. So and it seemed to fix some stability issues, so that's good. And then if you follow the Meta Discord, we actually got notified about the fact that they seem to be all but canceling Meta Worlds, or what was it called? Horizon Worlds? I don't know, something Worlds, which apparently there was a very tight-knit community around Worlds, which I really wasn't aware of too much, but that's what it is. But I I don't know. I don't know where Meta's heading. We don't really have enough information right now. And I don't actually know, is it cheaper to make smart glasses now than it is VR headsets because of the RAM prices and whatnot? I really don't know. Or the VR glasses, I assume they need RAM as well. I don't know. Okay, I'm not a techologist per se. Okay, well, anyway, I think I'm going to call it here, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts on the future of Meta. If you're going to pick up a headset, if you are going to buy any games, again, use code TAC for 10% off on the Meta Quest store. And if you're buying a headset, you'd code tech for $30 Quest cash. So, yeah, that's really all I have to say about that. Do I hope the feature is good for the MetaQuest? Yes, I do. At the very least, we might get a new Quest every year, which I feel like I'd be okay with that. Every year, every few years, kind of like a PlayStation or a Nintendo Switch or an Xbox or all of the gaming platforms. Just like a new headset to play new titles. But that would imply that we need new titles as well. And okay, well, anyway, you know what? I feel like a lot goes into that. I feel like Meta might have a plan. I don't know. Maybe it's one of the trust the process type thing. So we just gotta trust the process. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.